Hey guys, here we've got a Kokoda Force 8 22'6" family bunk van and a whole heap of really cool upgrades on it. It's a full panel construction, so a foam fiberglass panel instead of Meranti, so really, really strong and awesome for insulation. This van has got almost 1200 amp hours of lithium, 1400 watts of solar on the roof, and an inverter set up to run everything you want to run, including your outside induction cooktop. So I'm going to have a walk around and show you what this van's got. Starting with the chassis, you have a rear departure angle, and you've got a auto leveling level 4 airbag system in it. So you can pump up your tires from that, and you can raise and lower the van to how you want and level off the van left and right. So really awesome setup from that. We'll go around the front here. Got a great front box. You got a fridge. This fridge comes with it. Storage in the front. You got the Grip Sport bike rack, 2 gas bottles, DO 4.5 hitch. So this is rated to 4.4 ton. You can use it on a 3.5 ton rated car if you need to. You just have to change your pin on your car to a 4.5 pin. Another slide out here. This is for a generator. Comes with a Kojak jack. You got a SOG. So this is a it sucks the air out of the toilet canister. So you don't have any bad smells coming in the van. The camera person's pointing at something for me. I said Grip Sport bike rack. Yeah. Yep. You got an outside shower, hot and cold there. The fridge vents, instead of having vents back here, you have these little pop-out doors. So you're not going to have dust coming in through the back of the fridge. You've got a gas heater in the van. You've got a mud flap all the way along under the chassis. That's going to protect under the chassis really well. Tunnel boot. This is oversized. Your 240 volt inlets. Your rear departure angle, so it's a really, really capable vehicle. And you got a rear, sorry for the noise guys, and you got a rear box on here as well. So this looks awesome at the back. You got your dual spares, all the mud terrain tires, so they're going to be awesome. Not only do they look good, but they're actually really good on sand and everything. You got your rear light, you got your rear camera, jerry can holders, and you got your kitchen here, which is great. So you've got a little, storage drawer. You got a surface area to work on, in dual induction hob, and hot and cold water to here. 12 volt points, 240 volt point, picnic table, all your bug lights outside, and they go white as well. So this van is option to the max. Anything else outside? Huge awning. Come inside. Really, really beautiful van in here. So waterfall bench top, big storage spaces for the kitchen. Lots of drawers, lots and lots of overhead cabinets. And the best part is you got a king size bed, and it's a foam mattress. So to make the bed, you can actually just fold the corner up, whereas an inner spring mattress, you can't do that. Some really handy bedside storage, massive seating with a huge table, so very comfortable area. You can see all the 12 volt fans in here, 32-inch TV. You've got your roof mounted aircon heater, which will run off your huge battery. As we said before, almost 1200 amp hours of lithium. 1200 amp hours of lithium. You got your Carafan dust reduction system. What else we got in here? Yeah, got the sink with the pull down vegetable sprayer. You got your in here. You got your gas and 240 volt cooking. So this van with almost 1200 amp hours of lithium, and your 2-way fridge, and your gas with your 1400 watts of solar on the roof, you got so much energy to use. So 3 bunk van, Each bunk has its own 12-volt point, has its own light, has its own fan. And then in here, we've got the shower, all the full black pack, so everything looks really cool. You got the concertina door to be able to close up. I'll jump out of the way here. So you got the toilet area with a little niche storage, which is really handy. Lots of towel storage in here, overhead storage, and the back of the van here, we've got really great storage for the kids and anything else you want to store. So shelves, which makes it really handy, and then you've got your drawers in here. As I said, this van has all this stuff. Even it's got an induction, is it called induction? Convection, sorry. Convection microwave. So this is fully kitted out. This has been on a trip, so it's not brand new. It's used, but it's used and it's been really well looked after, really well cleaned up. And for the price in this van, you would not come anywhere near getting that. Give us a call. It is an absolute bargain. Give us a call.